Hi, I'm Janet Pearson with John Ray Realty, and I'm here today with Karen Labens of the Spice and Tea Exchange, a unique boutique downtown West Monroe. And Karen's going to tell us what all that she has in her shop and why she decided to locate in this area.
Thanks, Janet. The Spice and Tea Exchange of West Monroe, we hand mix all of our blends. We make steak rubs, fish blends, pasta blends, curries, you name it. We have over 150 different spices and herbs that we use to create all of our custom blends. We do smoked salts, flavored sugars, we have ground peppers, everything from Bloody Mary mix to popcorn seasoning, we've got it covered.
Sounds like it. Just saw someone buying some lavender, and she was saying that she's using it for nausea.
Yeah.
And that was kind of the unique idea for me, because I always thought ginger was what you use for nausea, but that's good to know. And you say you make lemonade with it, right?
Yeah, you can make lemonade, and we like to say there's no rules when it comes to your spices. What you want to do with them, that's, you know, they're for everything.
That's good. As a property owner of almost a block in Antique Alley, it's been interesting for me the last 10 years. When I first started down here, we used to have tour buses come in, and it was mostly antiques, and I'm glad to see that the blend has changed from to specialty shops with boots and clothes and jewelry, and even a new cake shop down the street is opened, and we have a bed and breakfast. Can you think of anything else that's been new? You're kind of in the loop.
Well, I'm kind of in the new territory as well. In the last 2 years that we've been here, we've seen a lot of changes for the alley, and I know there's currently a restaurant under construction, and there's just a lot of revitalization for the area. The bake shop, I think, is the newest business, but with the bed and breakfast, once that gets open, people are going to be able to stay and shop in the same area.
Yeah, it would be great to have the different businesses open, and gives people more reason to come, even on the open houses and the holidays that they do down here. They're special.
And we do a lot of work with the Convention and Visitors Bureau as well. And they've been doing a lot to help promote Antique Alley and bringing in the tourists and things like that as well. So as we continue to grow down here, I think we'll get back to those days of whenever they would bring in the tour buses and have lots of shoppers down here.
That would be great. I really appreciate you having me in your store today.
Great.
And we'll be talking to you later.
Thanks, Janet.